गुड मॉर्निंग दोस्तों। एपीएस हाई कोर्ट इलाहाबाद की ये आज की डिक्टेशन तीसरी डिक्टेशन है। ये स्पीड केवल 100 की रहेगी। देन गेट रेडी एंड स्टार्ट नाउ। Petitioner, in present petition, is assailing the validity of decision dated 26/12/1997 taken by Senior Superintendent of Police, Muradabad, dispensing with the services of petitioner and the orders of its affirmance in appeal and revision by Deputy Inspector General of Police, Muradabad Region, Muradabad, and the Inspector General of Police, Bareilly, June, Bareilly, dated 157/1998 and 242/1999, respectively. Stop and para. Brief background of the case is that petitioner had been performing and discharging duties as constable, and thereafter he was promoted to the post of head constable on 278/1997, and FIR was lodged by Sub-Inspector Ram Naresh Pandey, Police Lines, Muradabad, alleging therein that 93 prisoners were sent to Sessions Court, for which complaint was received as only 91 prisoners were entered in jail after their counting, and two accused persons were not there, while Bhagwan Singh, Nemchand, and Dast Daman Tyagi, then bracket petitioner bracket closed, along with other police personnel, were engaged in duty stop. Thereafter, search was carried out, and then Constable Hari Ram was found in drunken condition, and accused persons had escaped on account of mistake on the part of Hari Ram. Stop. After lodging of the first information report, petitioner was placed under suspension for holding of departmental inquiry on 288/1997. Stop. Said order of suspension was subject matter of challenge before this court in writ petition number 4022277 of 1997. Stop. This court had asked the respondents to conclude the disciplinary proceedings within 3 months. Stop. Thereafter, order, impugned has been passed dispensing with the services of petitioner in exercise of the authority vested under Rule 8 within bracket 2 bracket closed within bracket b bracket closed of the UP police officers of subordinate rank within bracket discipline and appeal bracket closed rules, 1999. Stop. Petitioner preferred appeal, which was dismissed. Revision 2, preferred against the order dismissing appeal, has been rejected. Stop. At this juncture, present petition had been filed. Stop and para. Counter affidavit has been filed justifying the action taken by respondent authorities. Stop. To this counter affidavit, rejoinder affidavit has been filed, rebutting the statement of facts mentioned in the counter affidavit and treating that arbitrary action has been taken against petitioner. Supplementary affidavit, supplementary counter affidavit and supplementary rejoinder affidavit have been filed. Stop and para. After pleading mentioned above have been exchanged, present writ petition has been taken up for final hearing and disposal with the consent the parties. Stop and para. Sri D. Kumar, advocate appearing for petitioner, contended with vehemence that in the present case there was no occasion to exercise and invoke the provisions of Rule 8 within bracket 2 bracket closed within bracket b bracket closed of the aforesaid rules, comma, as holding of inquiry was practicable, and coupled with this, comma, persons who were actually guilty of misconduct, comma, they have been reinstated back in services, comma, as such writ petition deserves to be allowed. Stop and para. Stop.